You know, the universe is expanding, but space is not stretching. Instead, the galaxies move away from each other, and the thrust is created by the black hole at the center of each galaxy. The black holes are made of high-entropy dark matter particles, which acts as a cosmic engine, moving the galaxies through space. This explains phenomena such as the Milky Way galaxy colliding with Andromeda galaxy in future, which cannot happen if space is expanding and the galaxies are moving away from each other.